This traditional Kyoto townhouse is located minutes from Higashiyama subway station in the heart of Kyoto's historic district. It offers the perfect blend of comfort and tradition. As you step through the front door, you enter the spacious open-plan living room and kitchen area. One of the highlights of this townhouse is its prime location in the heart of Kyoto's cultural hub. Surrounded by centuries of history and tradition, this property offers a peaceful retreat from daily life. On to the second floor, which gets a lot of natural light, creating a relaxing atmosphere. Here we find the bedroom, bathroom, washing space, and balcony. There is also overhead storage space. This property is perfect if you are seeking a peaceful getaway or a convenient base for exploring the city. The selling price for this property is set at 31.5 million yen. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a visit, please don't hesitate to contact Kitayama Trading by checking details in the below description. We're here to help you discover the perfect home in Kyoto. Thank you for watching.